Alright, we're inside of the drain at Harbor Freight, Newport Richey. This is the back side of a double Y. Normally when we come here, the blockage is right in this area, and we're only a couple feet in from a floor clean out, about 12 feet in from the back door. So this area is what seems to catch everything. It's common for double Ys to do that. If you look at the top of the pipe, you can see the two ridges in the actual PVC. There's something similar on the bottom, and that's typically what tends to catch everything. It's a sharp precast groove, just sort of a fault in the product. So we would like to take this double Y out by removing the slab, digging, and replacing it with two single Ys. And then we're also going to need a hydro jet to scour clean the rest of the piping. The black buildup in the pipe is it's a thin layer of hard plaque, and it's sort of the consistency of a sheet of sandpaper. That doesn't help. We just flushed a toilet to try to clear out some of this debris, so you're going to see a gush of water come by. The whole exterior line seems to be holding water right now, so we're going to look into that. Alright, we definitely have an exterior backup at the moment, period. We weren't here for a stoppage. We were just here to video, but it happens to be backed up at the moment. So I'm going to stop this video, pull the camera back. We're going to try to unclog that and see what's going on today. Different from what our usual service call is. And then we will re-record in a separate file.